Hi everyone, it's Serene here and welcome to Black Properties. Now, the apartment building has contemporary design and it consists of 15 apartments complemented by a swimming pool, an ample parking space, and a gym. The apartments are classified into two categories. The first one are apartments with 2 bedrooms and the second one are apartments with 3 bedrooms. Are you looking for a perfect apartment in a fantastic neighborhood? Look no further. This cozy 3-bedroom apartment is located in a vibrant, highly accessible area that boasts everything that you need. Close to shopping malls, hospital, which makes it perfect for busy professionals or young family looking to settle in an amazing neighborhood. Now, as soon as you step inside this amazing apartment, you immediately notice this incredible open plan concept. You have a very cozy kitchen, a dining table of seats, and also have this amazing sitting area with a good quality furniture. We do have a smart TV, we have access to internet. And on the top of that, you also have a balcony that provides what I can call magnificent views, starting from Mahoro National Stadium. I also have views from city center. We have views from Kibagabaga. This apartment has 3 bedrooms, which makes it perfect for busy professionals or young families who are looking to settle in amazing property. And it is currently on the market for sale for $180,000 US, which is amazing for a property which is ready to move in, and with a return on investment for $1,800 US per month or $100 US per night.